pollution levels are high. And we got like 7 different storms coming today. Or was that yesterday? Maybe it was just a test. Was it a test or?
Got to support it too. I don't know the exact issues, but again, it's collective bargaining and unions and the many, not the one. Yeah, the concept's still alive there.
Real chilled over here right now, but not a lot of traffic coming through. Should we go to all the car dealerships? All 125, 123? That'd be quite a trip. A lot of fun. No, maybe not. The traffic around Chicago area, and it might be larger than that. I don't even know. But hey, all right. We have seen the protest. The strike, actually. The protest different. They're trying to get their wages and other things increased a bit. So good luck to your collective bargaining and your goals.
Like a town needs a people,
Oh, good addition to the strike.
like a test needs a I need your love. I need your
They're like the chill side here. Well, collective bargaining, the collective, not one but many, in action right now here with local 701 automotive mechanics. Oh yeah, on strike. Yeah, it's like 125 different car dealerships, I believe, across the area. And just typical contract issues, but they are on strike, and it's going to start or end this union on strike at the car dealerships. We got the Adam Clayton sunglasses and a song from Rattle and Hum, or the Bono sunglasses, or maybe no sunglasses at all. Alright, I gotta pay attention. Okay, they're standing up there. Rock on. Rock on. Alright. Yeah, we're not going to go to the rest of the 100 or so car dealerships, but we saw the strike in action. Oh yeah.